Learn how to make a stretch knit headband with a cute little flower with this quick tutorial. You can download the pattern by following the link in the description below and then follow along with these step-by-step instructions. To start with, you are going to fold the headband in half and sew along the length. Be sure to use a zigzag or stretch stitch for this part so that the final headband will still be stretchable. Next, you want to turn the headband to the right side and press the seam. Place one end of the headband inside of the other and sew. Top stitch through all of the layers. Now you want to pinch the headband to gather it and hand sew it in place. Now it's time to make the flower for your headband. You want to cut out 8 circles for your flower. Fold 5 of your circles in half and place them in a line. Make a long basting stitch along the folded edge of the circles. Pull on the thread to gather the base of the flower and then tie it in a circle. Now you want to repeat this process for the other 3 petals to make another smaller flower. Now you are going to layer the little flower and the big flower and then sew them together on the headband. And that's it, you have finished your floral headband.